Alright everyone, welcome back to KIFS Crypto, your go-to channel for crypto exchange reviews and the best sign-up bonuses in 2025. Today we are going to jump into CoinEx. You're looking for that perfect exchange. This is a global platform. It's been around since 2017. Yes, it's kind of crazy to think, but that's almost 8 years. It has spot, margins, future, copy, everything. We're going to go over everything, the pros and cons, how it compares to other exchanges, and whether it's actually safe for you in 2025, because you won't use an exchange if it's not safe. And I'll share how you can get exclusive trading 365 bonuses for CoinEx that you won't find anywhere else. Guys, but before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right. So here we can see this exchange now. I will say I love the layout of this. I've used a lot of exchanges myself. I don't just use one: Coinbase, Kraken, Binance. And I'll use DEXs as well. This is quite simple because you can trade crypto anywhere. You get thousands of assets. Plus, you get copy trading, so you can find the best in the game and do that. And it's very easy to sign up. Also, you can buy crypto like most normal exchanges, get the market overview, futures, and even more. Learn about it. So let's talk a little bit about the history of it, because you might be wondering, where did this come from? You know about Coinbase, you know about Kraken. So CoinEx was launched all the way back in 2017. That's 8 years now. And it was based in Hong Kong, and it's grown to a global exchange, millions of users across 200 plus countries. They're not the flashiest name, not like Binance or Bybit or some of the big ones, OKX, that you've heard of, but that's fine. What they're able to do, you might say, why use them? Well, there's tons of exchanges. They bring to the table stability, transparency, and also has its own native token, CET, which works similar to BNB, giving users discounts, trading fees, and access to special perks. And we can actually see this right here. So you can go here, your crypto trading expert, and you can see right here, CET USDT is one of the main tokens. So let's go, guys and girls. Check it out right here. You can also see rankings of the new coins as well as news. And I really like the way this is kind of set up. Very, very simple. Now, what are some of the features you can enjoy? Well, you can do spot trading, which is new. So if you're a trader, this is good for people who are experienced. People are just jumping in. People are like, what are pairs? You can get trading pairs from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Margin trading for those who want to trade and leverage CoinEx. Futures, if you want to do that with different options. And of course, the amazing, the one, copy trading. Yes, you can do copy trading, replicate trading strategies, and even earn and stake. So if you're like, I don't really want to trade, it's risque, completely understand that. Makes sense. All you need to do then is go ahead and stake. That'll lock up your crypto, just like getting interest. This includes flexible savings, fixed term, and everything like that. Now you're probably wondering, okay, that all sounds good. I can earn, I can do all this stuff, but don't exchanges, are they vulnerable sometimes? Isn't there problems? Isn't there issues? Well, not only do they have a help center, but security is one of their biggest concerns. So they are very concerned about security, making sure that the exchange is your safe haven. So a lot of exchanges out there start, and then what gets them is not that they have bad features, but the security is not there. So what do they do? Well, CoinEx does quite well. You can see account and security here, and you can learn how to secure your account. And also they publish proof of reserves. You might be wondering, what does that mean? Which means you can verify customer assets are held one-to-one, they're not being misused, and it gives you a level of transparency that every trader actually should be asking for. And CoinEx has a clean record. They have no major hacks since launch, since 2017, which is amazing for trust. Like, if you're looking for something really, really good, this is the place to go. Let's break down some of the rewards, because, okay, it's good, I can do everything I want, but how can I earn just a little bit more for using this? Not just staking, but that you actually get rewards. So you get top tier referral. As you sign up, you can share it with friends. You get VIP upgrades and some amazing things. If you're an active trader, you get the VIP system, which reduces your trading fees. You get special benefits combined with the CET token, their native token. You'll get discounts, competitive compared to other exchanges. And also, you can unlock bonuses for trading. Or, if you're not a trader and you say that is risque, you can just invite people. So just say, hey, I like this, show them this video, and you can invite them, get a reward. If you don't want to do either, you can actually go ahead and just complete tasks. And I run periodic promotions so you can earn extra CET tokens. So let's break down the pros and cons. All right, CoinEx, is it worth it? Well, we're taking a look at Trading 365, and we can see the key features, the awesome things: spot trading, copy trading, earn and staking. You get a wide range of assets, markets, futures, proof of reserves, rewards. But it can't be all good, right? Doesn't there have to be some cons? Yes. So it's not available to United States residents. The CET token is mostly tied to fee discounts, and liquidity is not deep as Binance or Bybit. Binance is being the biggest exchange. And there are different things. So if you are a U.S. resident, all hope is not lost. You'll need alternatives like Coinbase and Kraken. You can still use exchanges. Don't feel sad. Liquidity is good, but obviously it's not as big as Binance level, and its utility is mostly tied to discounts. Now, is it safe? Yes, it is. It has awesome bonuses. Now, how does it compare to others? That might be the big thing you're asking. Well, compared to, BitUnix, 2Bit, CoinEx is older, it's more established, it gives deeper liquidity. Compared to Binance or Bybit, CoinEx is obviously smaller and more straightforward, less aggressive. But still, it's a great trading environment for anyone who wants proof of reserves and who wants to take a look at another exchange, a nice simple one. So, the question that you all are asking, is CoinEx worth using in 2025? I'm going to give that a big thumbs up. This is one of the coolest things to come out of Hong Kong. Absolutely. If you're looking for something that's reliable, gives you a ton of features, the CET token is very cool. Been around for 8 years, is trusted. No major hacks, no major problems. I'm going to say this is definitely worth it. And guys, don't forget, the best CoinEx sign-up deals are available through Trading 365. So you can check the links in the description, pin in the comment, claim yours today. If you found this review helpful, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comments if you're already using CoinEx or if you're considering signing up. Until next time, happy trading.